Hello, everyone. My name is Freda Gbande from Kumasi Hive in Ghana. I have completed a 4-year bachelor's degree in biochemistry, cell and molecular biology. I currently work with Kumasi Hive as a research associate and the lead for the Girls in Biotech program. My presentation today is titled Biotechnology as a Tool, Empowering Women to Lead Change in Africa. Kumasi Hive is a tech and innovation hub located at Kentenkrono in the Ashanti region of Ghana. We are focused on providing young people with digital and tech skills to position them as innovators on the continent. One of such projects where we engage young people is the Girls in Biotech program. The Girls in Biotech program is designed to serve as a safe space or a platform for girls to learn and explore biotechnology. The project was set to be implemented in the year 2020, using a model other than that which is represented on this slide. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic that the world faced, the Kumasi Hive team thought it wise to develop an alternative model we termed the hybrid program to still be able to reach girls. Below is the scheme of the hybrid program, and I will briefly touch on this. The program was targeted at girls at the senior high school level and at the tertiary level. The flow of the program was that selected girls participated in the virtual training program, and for the senior high school level, they ended their training in a DIY DNA extraction experiment, which they participated in from their various homes. For the tertiary level virtual training program, they ended in the Bioinnovation Pitch Challenge, where participants shared their ideas that they had in biological sciences using the training they had received earlier in the week. 4 selected girls participated in the bootcamp after their training program. Here at Kumasi Hive, we have partnered with the Open Bioeconomy Lab to establish a biolab that seeks to produce enzymes for local researchers in Ghana and beyond. As part of its activities, capacity building programs are organized for local researchers to bridge any skills and knowledge gaps that they may have. However, these programs were mostly male-dominated. This led the Kumasi Hive team to create a platform that would empower women to actively participate in science spaces, be it academia or industry. We know that what we experienced as an organization isn't peculiar to us. Over the years, we have recorded lower numbers of women in science spaces compared to their male counterparts. For a young continent like Africa, we would do ourselves a great disservice if we continue to rely on mostly our male workforce as our source of innovations and solutions. What we can then do is to reach more women and to provide them with the skills developments they need to be better positioned to help solve some of our local problems. With this, the Girls in Biotech program in the year 2020 aimed to assess the effectiveness of teaching girls biotechnology virtually amidst a global pandemic. These are a few key things that aided the successful execution of the program. Curriculum development. The curriculum content was designed to be practical and focused on piquing students' interest in biotechnology. Trainees were introduced to topical areas including the history and areas of biotechnology, DNA, genes and gene expression, recombinant DNA technology, careers and employment in biotechnology. Virtual training and bootcamp. The virtual training lasted for a week. Each session was for a duration of 3 hours. The sessions were held daily and were hosted via Zoom, including a DIY DNA extraction experiment and a bioinnovation pitch challenge. The virtual training for university students was followed with a bootcamp for 4 selected students. They were introduced to molecular biology techniques and soft skills for their career development. Training procedure. The training was in 3 parts: training by facilitators, presentations by experts, a DIY DNA extraction session, and a bio-innovation pitch challenge. Facilitation techniques used included direct instructions, inquiry-based, and cooperative learning. Trainees were assessed using their engagement in a mini project that was organized for the girls at the senior high school level, which was a DIY DNA extraction experiment they had to participate in from their homes, and a bio-innovation pitch challenge for the tertiary students who had to develop ideas using techniques and concepts that they had learned in biotechnology over the week of training. I'd also like to mention that virtual mentorship sessions were organized for the trainees where experts shared their insights on career development in science, entrepreneurship in science, DIY biology, and its related opportunities and challenges in Africa. At the end of the program, we were able to reach 80 girls from 11 out of 16 regions in Ghana during a pandemic. Out of the 80 girls, 32 of them were senior high school students, while 48 were university students. Engagement from the trainees during the sessions were quite high, as we see that trainees considered further training on their own after the program. 88% out of the 32 trainees at the senior high school level will consider training on their own after the training program on biotechnology, while 96% of university students will consider further training on their own after the biotechnology training. As we see, for the senior high school level, 96% of our trainees had their expectations met, and for the university level, 70% of them had their expectations met. We recorded moderate participation in the mini projects that were organized for both levels. And for us, this was impressive because in the midst of a pandemic, we still had these trainees being interactive and willing to learn. Some key takeaways from the program. The Girls in Biotech initiative has proven to be very potent to teach girls biotechnology and to have them explore ideas. The platform as a virtual communication tool has also proven to be effective for teaching science. A recommendation from us is that similar STEM courses, especially at the senior high school level, can be designed to be effectively delivered virtually when necessary, like in a pandemic or in similar instances. I'd like to acknowledge the Policy Center for the New South, Georgia Pia of Kumasi Hive, Prince Boedu of Kumasi Hive, Sandra Ahiataku for their support and the ideation of this program. I'd also like to acknowledge our mentors who were very supportive during the execution of this program and shared their very thoughtful insights to our trainees, which made this program very memorable for them. Lastly, I'd like to thank the rest of the Kumasi Hive team, from our media to administration to finance, for their immense support during the implementation of the Girls in Biotech program. Thank you for your attention, and I am available to answer any questions that you may have. And before that, I'd like for us to watch a video of some trainees share their experience on the Girls in Biotech program. Thank you once again.
Hi everyone, I am also Philippa Efia, a first-year student of Achimota School. During this week, I partook in Girls in Biotech, a course organized by Kumasi Hive. In the course, we had a lot of presentations, training sections, and a practical lesson, which was really interesting.
I'm Haya Fazila, a first-year student of Al Maktoum Senior High School. During this week, we learned a lot from Girls in Biotech Training Senior High School, a course from Kumasi Hive.
I'm grateful to the organizers of Girls in Biotech virtual training. The week has been an amazing, educative, and eye-opening week. Very interesting. The career session informed me of how to make choices in life with regard to university, and from the academic aspect, both theory and practical. Oh, I learned a lot. I got to know more about biotech, and I hope that this continues so that more girls, especially those in our high schools, will get interested and involved in STEM fields. So together we build our continent. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Shilama Itunade, a first-year student of Wesley Grammar School. And this is a short presentation of what we've learned so far during our meeting sessions with GIB, that is Girls in Biotechnology. This practical session, this was our final result, yes. The top layer being alcohol, the bottom layer being banana, and then the line you see in the middle of the alcohol and banana is the DNA strand. And the 3-day climax held the meeting that we started, and it was awesome. So we say a very big thank you to GIB, to every executive in GIB. We say thank you.
I really learned so many things from biotech because I never knew we had so many career opportunities when we learn or we study biotech. I say may God bless you. Thank you.
I learned so many things. I also learned that science is difficult, but when you are determined, you can make it through.
But science is not for males only, but for females as well. As long as I am determined, I can do it. Thank you, Kumasi Hive. I look forward to more exciting programs as this.
I learned so much from them, which I never would learn in school, and I'm grateful for that. It has taught me to reach my goals and to achieve my dreams, and I hope they never stop this and do this again next year or next time. Thank you. Bye.
I've learned to appreciate science, and I've learned that as a young woman, I can make an impact with DIY biology. I know that I can put my creativity to action. Thank you, Kumasi Hive, for this amazing training. Thank you, the organizers, and then I appreciate this so much.
Long live Kumasi Hive, long live Ghana, and thank you. Bye.